What's up everyone? Tactical here, and today I was going to show you two tips on the iPhone, and the first one is how to adjust the brightness on the flashlight, and the second one is how to lock your screen so it's in that vertical orientation so it doesn't change when you go to lay down on the couch. And some of these tips y'all may already know about, but if you don't, I hope you find them helpful. And yeah, because not everybody's an iPhone expert. And alright, so you're going to click that flashlight button and hold down on it, and then that'll bring this up, and the different bars that shows how bright it's going to be, so you can just kind of scroll up and down and choose which one you want. Alright, and then the last tip I was going to show you was the thing that I have circled in yellow. It's like a little padlock, and basically that locks the screen orientation in so it's always vertical no matter what you're doing. And that could be helpful, like if you're reading something and then you go to lay on the couch. Alright, well that'll do it for today's video, and please guys hit that like and subscribe button. I definitely need more subscribers, and yeah, that way I can make some better videos. And also, if you have any video ideas or things you'd like me to answer, just let me know in the comments below. And I appreciate y'all watching, and have a good day.